Hello, trader. Welcome to the Trading Cage. This is where we beat the gold, and I am Tiago Andrade. Okay. Well, I just came here to talk to you guys very quickly about what happened here on the opening of the Asian market today. So I was with my students, as you can see before the video that will be uploaded just before this one. Um, we were in a closed Zoom call with about 200 of our students, and we were expecting candle 1 to open here on the region of the maximum high of candle 275. But what ended up happening was it opened up with a gap over there on the region of the 4985, and then it came down to test the support. Also, candle 2 came down to test support once again. When candle 3 closed, candle 4 opened, we got into the trade with a buy. Some of us carried on into the 5,000, which was a region of resistance. Okay, why is it a region of resistance? Because it is exactly 50% of these last run. Okay, not only that, we had a trigger candle on the 1 hour that held that price on Friday. Okay, so candle 71 here, as you can see, was going to hold that price. That was the last relevant stopping point we had for this price. So most of our students got out of the trade in here, and a lot of our students who have been with us for a little longer managed to carry on with this trade right now. They're still holding on to it. And we have a target here on these other maximum high, which is in the region of 5095. So most of us are holding on to this trade, okay? And this should pay awesomely, simply because we know which regions and where this price has to go due to what we study in the chart. Okay, so this is candle per candle analysis, and we also trade price action, and we know the regions that it has to go. So it's just a really awesome move. I'm really happy with this trade that we're taking at the moment. Um, we can see that on 1 minute it's getting a bit difficult to go through this region here where it is at the moment. We had a bit of stops in this region, so candle 7 actually got all that liquidity that was to the left. Now I know that this price needs to come here and test the support once again. Okay, I don't think it will come to grab all of these inefficiency right now, but price could do a pullback until the 50% of today before continuing to our target on top. So guys that have bought together with me down below, we're pretty safe, okay? And then let's see where this price will take us. Um, so just so we know, we managed to put on our pocket together with our students, some of them, at least the new ones, okay? About 700 bucks, which was 1400 points on that trade. And then the rest of it, if I mean, it has, let me have a look at the other platform here. It has moved about 5,000 points, 6,000 points. Yeah, so pretty good. So 1,400 here together with our newbie students, and with the old ones, we're still holding on to that. So it's going to be awesome. Just coming through to explain what we saw in the open of the Asian market. Unfortunately, it did not open in this region. It opened up the top, so we had to wait for it to test the support, and we ended up losing about, from our entry point, we ended up losing about 2,000 points of the original trade that I wanted to trade in the opening of the market. But then again, we got 6,500 points. So I'm still happy. This is awesome. And knowing exactly the regions and what price will do, it's really, really awesome to know these regions, and you can carry on these trades for a very, very long time. All right, guys, thank you very much. Just wanted to give you a little bit of insight on what we saw, and you're gonna see the video before. I actually uploaded it. It is in Portuguese. I'll see if I can get an app that can put subtitles on it. But I'm gonna load it up as it is, and then I'll see how I can edit it later on to add for you guys as well. Well, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, okay? Comment below, and also share this with your friends. This is a new channel we started a month ago. We're doing pretty good. We're almost at 500 subscribers. So a lot of people enjoying our content, which is awesome. Um, but yeah, if you can help us just by subscribing and then liking and leave your comment and everything else, it would be really, really appreciated. Okay, and will really help me to continue to do these analysis for you guys. See you guys all tomorrow at 9 o'clock for our daily live, 9 o'clock Brazilian time. Okay, um, which is pretty much 7 o'clock in the morning in the US, I believe. I believe 7 o'clock. Let's see. World clock. I've got New York. New York is 2 hours before. Yeah, so it's 7 o'clock in the morning, New York time. It will be awesome to have you guys with us for our analysis of the gold tomorrow. Thank you. This is the Trading Cage where we beat the gold, and I'll see you soon.